Hi, my name is Ann, and I wrote your Grocery Budget Toolbox. I learned recently that the USDA recommends that a family of 4 on a thrifty budget plan should spend about $548 a month on groceries. I regularly spend less than half of that, and I still manage to feed my family healthy, nourishing foods. I wrote this ebook to be a guide to help anyone feed their family well on a limited budget. And it's not about extreme couponing either. It's just full of great practical tips that will help you trim your grocery spending